to another video. You are watching Phones on Touch with me, guys. And today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than Samsung Galaxy Note 9 out here. Yes, talking about Note 9, we can say that this was 2018 release model out here. Yes, 2018 release model out here for you guys with very amazing specifications out here and a different look, or you can say it was really a variant which was quite a different version out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good design of aluminum. Yes, aluminum design is really amazing out in Samsung Galaxy Note 9 out there. Now, when we talk about Note 9, we cannot forget about the protection it provides to a gadget. Yes, protection it provides to a gadget. Now, talking about the protection, we can say that it gives you Gorilla Glass 5 protection out here. Yes, Gorilla Glass 5 protection could be seen out in this variant. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant, Note 9, offers you a weight phone. Yes, this is slightly heavy weighted phone, but can be considered as heavy only, because we will not consider it light, because having a weight more than 200 grams is something smartphones are not supposed to be, because smartphones are supposed to be lightweighted so that we can have them in many handy purpose. But yes, it is having a weight more than 200 grams, so we can say that it's slightly heavy weighted phone. Now, offering your hybrid dual SIM and single SIM technology. Yes, you can have two variants, single SIM technology and dual SIM technology variants. So when we talk about dual SIM, it has got hybrid dual SIM technology, so that you get have an external storage capacity. Now, having external storage capacity, you get to have expandability. But if we talk about expandability, that is not needed much out here. Yes, you don't need expandability much. Why we say so? We say so because offering you 128 GB storage capacity and 512 storage capacity, like 128 and 512 GB internal storage capacity is quite sufficient, so you don't need expandability. But definitely, if you need if you want to use, you can use that expandability out there. There is an option out there for you guys. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good RAM of about 6 GB. Yes, 6 GB internal RAM could be seen out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can never forget to mention that it offers you 6.4 in screen size. Yes, 6.4 in screen size. If we compare it to the Note 8 series out here, we can say that Note 8 and Note 9 series are quite similar in the structurality, but there is a difference out there. Screen size is 6.4 inches out there. Along with that, you get to have super almond captive touch screen. Super almond captive touch screen could be seen, and you get to have 16 colorization too. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that running on Android 8 is good, but when you can upgrade it, why not? So they have upgraded it up to Android 10. That is a wonderful feature out here. Yes, you get to have Android 10 One UI 2.0. So this could be considered as an amazing feature, because having the most recent version back then was something every gadget demands for. And you get your favorite gadget with upgradability, so you can definitely try this one out. Another thing which Samsung always does is creating two different variants. Yes, two different variants are always created by Samsung, and this can be seen out in this variant also. You get to see that this variant has two different versions offering you two different internal purposes. One with Snapdragon processing system, Snapdragon 845 processor, along with octa-core collaboration, as well as you get to see that octa-core is of about 2.8 gigahertz, and you get to see Adrenal, a proper collaboration of these three, as well as you get to see another variant of Inisco octa-core 2.7 and MAL collaboration. Like there are two different processors out there globally. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good camera quality of about 12 megapixel. Yes, 12 megapixel camera quality could be seen out there, which we have seen in Note 8 also. Yes, Note 8 also we saw 12 megapixel camera out here. but it is more focused, it is more exposed, it is more good capturer out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a selfie camera of 8 and 2 megapixels. This is slightly different out here. Yes, you get to have a slight difference. Now you get to have 8 and 2 megapixel selfie camera out here, where you earlier in Note 8 you got 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel selfie camera out there. Talking about this variant, you can say that this variant offers you 3.5 jack, you offers you good connectivity, everything out there except the radio. Sensitivities could be seen out here, as well as battery life is amazing of 4000 mAh. Yes, 4000 mAh battery means this variant has got some exciting features within itself. Now, talking about this exciting feature, talking about this exciting gadget, we cannot forget about the pricing for this. And for that, I would like to take you to a site which offers you best pocketable rates for this. This is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name out here. As well as you get to see that this site offers you a category known as all mobile phones, as well as a search icon which helps you to search your favorite gadget. So this is Note 9. I have written just Note 9, and so we are going to search about Note 9. So talking about Note 9 result, we have this result out here, and all of them have one condition common out, and the condition is refurbished. All the variants have this condition: refurbished, refurbished, refurbished. So either it's single SIM or dual SIM, every condition is written refurbished. So let us talk about this condition now. Talking about refurbished product, or saying what is refurbished, we can say what is brand new. Let us take a look about the word refurbished. If we talk about refurbished, then we can say refurbished is something new like. Yes, you can say that it's something new like out here. Or if we say what is brand new means absolutely untouched. That is for the very first time, pehli baar, which we have not seen out in the market, that is launched for first time, or we can say that is something which we are seeing for the very first time. But refurbished is once it has been launched and we are creating it again back as it was at the time of launch. That is what refurbished and brand new are. Talking about that, we can say that both of them follows the same path out here. Yes, both of them follows the same path. If we talk about brand new or if we talk about refurbished, both of them follows the same path. दोनों में ही क्या होता है, दोनों में ही बेस होता है, मीडिएटर होता है एंड कंज्यूमर होता है. यस, वी हैव बेस, वी हैव मीडिएटर, वी हैव कंज्यूमर आउट हियर, and not just in gadgets but in every aspect of the time. Moving on, what is the pathway for brand new? Brand new's pathway includes nothing else but the company, marketplace, and the users out there. Yes, it includes the marketplace and the user. Base is the company, matlab a place or base or a point from where that gadget, that device is launched for the very first time is known as the base. Now, when it comes to mediator, it is a bridge. It is a place where the company and the users meet. Yes, it's a place where the company and the user meet. That is the mediator. After it is into the marketplace, into the mediated form, then it comes to the consumer. Consumers are us, like the users. We are the consumers. This is what the pathway of brand new includes. Now, when we talk about refurbished, what happens? This user becomes the base. Yes, this user becomes the base out here, and then it becomes the pre-owned gadget out here. You get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now it comes to the marketplace. Yes, it comes to the marketplace. Now coming to the marketplace, it is now going to have another user with it. Yes, it's going to have a user. Now these users are the one who would like to have this pre-owned gadget. So this is the whole pathway included. Now the user here is the base and the user up, which was the consumer, they are the same thing. Yes, the pre-owned phone from the company has been used once again. So this is what the pathway all looks like. Now, if we say the user has pre-owned a gadget and now another user is using it, is it good enough to use or not? That is the main question out here. So yes, it is absolutely good to use because we check out the parameters, we check out the gadgets, so whether it is good to use or not, whether the parameters are absolutely verified or we can say the parameters are absolutely checked for each and every gadget or not. Like these parameters are basically the internal external specifications of any gadget. Like when we talk about any gadget, we can say that these gadget includes external and internal factors. Like externally what we see through our eyes, yes, what we see through our eyes, we can see whether the gadget is having scratches or not, whether the display is working good or not, whether the gadget has got a good camera or not, video quality, audio quality, sim recognitions out there, whether sim is there or not, battery life, battery charger out there, buttons, display, touch, everything has to be checked. So these external factors includes the external parameters. Whereas the internal parameters are the ones which are to be tested by not just humans or the ones, but with very specified gadgets or very specified tools, we can say, is like the operating system inbuilt in it, the CPU, GPU out there, the connectivities out there, the sensitivities inbuilt in it, data connectivities or data recovery, data wiping, colorization inbuilt in it, the screen size out there. Every feature has to be checked. Yes, every feature has to be checked, and after it passes all the major 29 parameters, then it is certified as refurbished. Yes, then it is said that the product is refurbished. Now, talking about this refurbished product, let us go to the benefits of having refurbished products. Because refurbished products offers you some benefits too. Number one, it offers you pocketable rates. Yes, it offers you pocketable rates. As we already know, brand new products are actually expensive out here, whereas the refurbished products are quite pocketable. Talking about another specification, other benefit is that now you can have a great savings. Since you get your favorite gadgets in pocketable rates, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you get to save a good amount out here. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, but with refurbished or we are talk about any pre-owned phone. Do we get any warranty period with pre-owned phones? No, usually not. But if you have a category written as refurbished, certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period. Along with it, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy because you get to have a gadget which is to be tested and has been testified. But still, if you find that gadget is not worth it, then you can definitely try it out and check, and then you can have 7 exchange policy. Now, talking about this exchange policy and everything, let us go back to the site and see whether these benefits are offered on the same website or not. Let us check about that. So this is the website out here, and the website name I would like to again mention, that is Phone Zone. Phone Zone means a zone or a place where you get to have most of your favorite gadgets, or from all over the brand you can have your favorite gadgets. And this category, all mobile phones, help you to have that specification. Yes, there are n number of brands listed out where you get to have your favorite gadgets. As well as this site offers you a great variety of the benefits, like 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy could be seen. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping. Yes, you get free COD and free shipping out there. Now, talking about free shipping and COD, we can say that it offers you 48 hours time. Yes, 48 hours is expected time for the home delivery within most parts of UAE. In most parts of UAE, you have 48 hours delivery time. Whereas in Saudi, you get to have approximately a week time. Yes, Saudi, it might take up to a week. But you can check out the website for best pricing, as well as you can also check out the website for your favorite gadgets and delivery time in your area. So till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.